Spanish forest police were deployed to areas near the town of El Arenal, about 100 km west of Madrid, on Tuesday evening, July 29, as wildfires burned across central Spain. The forest police wearing firefighter uniforms stood by fire trucks in open forest terrain while the flames burned in the background. More than 200 firefighters battled wildfires in central Spain on Tuesday as residents of the town of Montbeltran were ordered to stay indoors due to smoke. Speaking to reporters, local fire chief Angel Iglesias said they were working to contain the fire in the Montbeltran area using bulldozers and aircraft to prevent the flames from reaching El Arenal. Hot and dry summers are common in the Mediterranean region, but increasing intense heat waves have contributed to devastating wildfires in recent years amid rising global temperatures. Wildfires also broke out on a forest hillside in Aroca, Portugal, burning trees and sending thick smoke into the sky as the firefighting efforts continue on Tuesday, July 29. The fires opened multiple fronts in mountainous and brush-covered terrain that was difficult for firefighters to access, and the flames slowly spread toward the town of Castelo de Paiva, 10 to 15 kilometers away, approaching Aroca. More than 700 firefighters, around 250 fire trucks, and 9 aircraft were deployed to battle the blaze.